Hi, my name's Chris and welcome to this tutorial. I'm excited to walk you through our web dashboard and how it works. When you sign up for Therachat, you will land on the activity library as you can see here. Therachat comes with a library of clinical, evidence-based activities that were created to engage your clients as much as possible. If you click on the info icon of the activities, you'll be able to see what each one is about, its benefits, and what it will look like for your clients in the Therachat client app. You can easily filter the activities by clicking on the filters. Here, you can create your own activities. You can do so by clicking on what you'd like to send to your clients. Let's say you wanted to send a question to one of your clients. You click on Question, and you'll be able to input that question. You can define how you want your clients to answer. Do you want them to reply by text, with a number, or is no reply needed? Once you've defined that, you can save your activity to reuse later. Do you have worksheets, documents, or images you'd like to send to your clients? Click on the appropriate file type, easily drag and drop it into the window, and define the response type. You'll always find your own activities at the bottom of the library. You can also filter them by clicking on the Custom filter on top of the library. From the library, you can send activities to your clients. Click on the Send button and choose whether you want to send an activity now, daily, weekly, or send it at a specific time. Clients will use Therachat on their mobile phones. Click on Invite Client and input their name and email address. We'll send them an invitation through email, but even without the email, they can sign up and they'll get automatically connected to you. When your client starts using Therachat, you'll be notified. When you invited a client, you can easily message them by going into their profile and clicking on the Message tab. When your client replies to your message, you'll be notified. On the client profile, you'll find all the results of their homework activities. When you click on a client profile, or when you click on the timeline, you'll find all the results in a chronological order. When you click on an activity, you can read the entire entry.